Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabilo YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable sticky key on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In Settings, scroll down and go to Accessibility. Here in Accessibility, go to Interaction and Dexterity. In Interaction and Dexterity, okay, scroll down and go to Mouse and Physical Keyboard section. Here you can see the sticky key. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if this turn on, when you press a modifier key like Shift, Control, or Alt, it will stay pressed. So you can enter keyboard shortcut one key at a time. And okay guys, to enable the sticky key, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled sticky key on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.